Samachar. In our previous lecture, we have completed chapter number 10 and 11. Today we are going to start new chapter, chapter number 12, Smart Charts, part 1. So let's begin. So let us start with the first topic of chapter number 12 given in your Maths NCERT book, page number 159. And the topic name is Chi Chi Meow Meow. Meow meow, it might be coming into your mind what we are going to learn today. It is a sound of cat. So Yamini had a project of animals and birds. She asked each child of her class about one favorite pet animal. What are pet animals? Animals like cow, horse, cat, dog. These are pet animals which we can keep at home. And wild animals are like lion, tiger, snake. These animals are mostly at jungle. So she used telemarks to record each answer. So students, here if she wants to write cat, so for cat she has made one vertical line. If any other student said again cat, so she will make the line here. Then for 3 she has done like this, and for 4 she has drawn 4 lines. And for this diagonal it is 5. So this symbol she has used for 5. And in total there are 24 children who has cat as favorite pet animals. So here she has used this symbol for 5. So for 1 she has used the symbol 1 vertical line. For 2 she has used 1 vertical line and this sleeping line. For 3 she used the symbol 1, 2, 3. And for 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. And for 5, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So this symbol is for 5. If anybody wants to write 8, for 8 how she will write? For 8 she will write 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So this is for 8. For 11, it will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So this symbol will be for 11. So here this symbol is used for 5 cats. It makes our work easy and we can make a record very quickly. So students, now let me tell you all what are telemarks. It is not compulsion that telemarks we do in the same way. There is one more method which we do in our senior classes. And few questions we'll be doing in class 5. So let us quickly see what are telemarks. Telemarks are a quick way of keeping record of numbers in groups of 5. Here we keep record of numbers in group of 5. A vertical line has to be drawn for each of the first 4 numbers. So for the first 4 numbers we draw vertical line. So for 1 we draw 1 vertical line. For 2 we draw 2 vertical lines. For 3 vertical lines. For 4 we draw 4 vertical lines. And the 5th number is represented by diagonal line across the previous 4. So 5th number is represented by diagonal. So here you can see 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5th number will be diagonal. Now let us do this question. Complete the following tele chart. Fruit, frequency, telemarks. So what is frequency? The number of times a particular observation occurred in a data. So here mango is occurring 7 times. So let us draw telemark for 7. Here it will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So what will be the frequency for grapes? 5, 10 plus 2, 12. So it will be 12. So now draw telemark for orange, that is 4. So telemark will be 1, 2, 3, 4. What will be the frequency for apple? 5, 10, 15. So the frequency will be 15. I hope students telemarks is clear. So now let us help Yamini to complete this table. So in this table you can see animal, telemarks and number. Telemarks I have already told you earlier. I hope it is clear. So now let us write the numbers. So here cats. 5, 10, 15, 20. And this symbol is for 4. 20 plus 4, 24. Next dogs. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 31, 32. So write here 32. Now rabbits 5, 10. So right here 10. Cows 5, 10, 15, 20, 21, 22. So right here 22. Parrots 5, 6, 7, 8. So right here 8. Students, you have to count the lines. As I told you earlier, 1, 2, 3. 5 plus 3, 8. Goats 5, 10, 15, 20. Right here 20. Squirrel 5, 10, 15. So here we have written 15. So this table is completed. Now let us do A part. Look at the tally marks and write the number for each animal in the table. So here numbers we have already written in the table. Next part. How many children did Yamini talk to? So how many children did Yamini talk to? Here we will add all the numbers. So let us add together. 4 plus 2, 6, 6 plus 2, 8. 8 plus 8, 16. 16 plus 5, 21. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So it is coming 131. So Yamini talked to 131 children. Now B part, which is the most favorite pet animal in this table? So in the table we can see dogs is the most favorite pet animal in this table, as the number is 32. So let us write here D-O-G, dog. Now C part, which pet animal will you like to have? If you ask me, I would like to have dog. And his name I would keep Coco or Cherry. You may write this answer by your own. Next question. Which other animals can be kept at home? So parrots, cows, horse, dogs. These are the animals which can be kept at home. Next topic. Making tally marks on the road. So this topic is there in your book, page number 160. So now let us read together what are they saying. Sumita stood on the road for half an hour and counted the number of vehicles passing by. She made a tally mark for each vehicle. What she has done? She made a tally mark for each vehicle. This helped her in counting quickly the total number of vehicles in each group. So now let us do some question based on this. Next question, let us complete the table given in your book, page number 161. In your books, you can see this table, vehicle, tally marks and number. Now A part, write the number of each vehicle in the table. So let us write the number here. So now count these tally marks for cycle. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25 plus 3, 28. Car. 5, 10, 11, 12. So it is 12. For auto rickshaw, 5, 10, 15 plus 3, it is 18. Next bus, 5, 10, 15. Right here, 15. Cycle rickshaw, 5, 10, 15, 20. 20 plus 4, 24. So right here, 24. Truck, 5 plus 1, 6. Now B part, how many vehicles in all did Sunita see on the road in half an hour? So let us count these numbers to write the vehicles. So here, 8 plus 2, 10 plus 8, 18. 18 plus 5, 23. 23 plus 4, 27. 27 plus 6, it will be 33. 3 carry, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So answer is coming 103. So Sunita see 103 vehicle on the road in half an hour. Now C part, auto rickshaws are thrice the number of trucks. Is it true or false? Auto rickshaws number is given 18. Auto rickshaw number is given 18. And truck number is given 6. Is it thrice? Yes. 6 3s are 18. So auto rickshaws are thrice the number of trucks. Next, make tally marks for 7 more buses and 2 more trucks. So let us make tally mark for 7 and 2. So the tally mark for 7 will be 5, 6, 7. So here 7 more buses I have drawn. Buses are here. So after this, these 2 I have drawn more. And for trucks, I have to draw 2 more. 1, 2. So here 2 more I have drawn for trucks. I hope students these questions are clear. It is very easy. You just have to keep in mind the symbols for 1, 2 and so on. Students, that's all for today's class. I hope you all have understood good in ma'am's class. So chapter number 12, part 1 completed. practice all these questions at home. And I'll continue in our next class. Do like, share and subscribe my channel. Take care. Bye-bye.